Tiger's neighborhood. Baking Day. Hi, neighbor. We're helping Baker Acre today, Daniel Tiger said. We're going to bake cookies, said Prince Wednesday. They both wanted to make cookies shaped like trolleys. Baker Acre had a recipe. First, we need 1 stick of butter, he said. Daniel added the butter. Prince Wednesday started to dance as he added the sugar. Oh no! He bumped into the table and spilled the milk. Baker Acre sang, "It's okay to make mistakes. Try to fix them and learn from them too." Prince Wednesday cleaned up while Daniel got more milk. "I fixed my mistake and learned to be more careful," Prince Wednesday said. He stood still and added the milk without spilling it. Next, Baker Acre added an egg. Then Daniel added flour. "Now we mix," said Baker Acre. Soon they had dough. They rolled it out. Baker Acre gave them cookie cutters shaped like trolleys. They made the cookies and placed them on a baking sheet. Then Daniel dropped the cookie. "How do I fix it?" he asked. "You can mix it back in with your dough to make a new cookie," Baker Acre said. Daniel fixed his mistake and learned a baking secret. Baker Acre put the cookies in the oven. After they were baked, the cookies had to cool. When Baker Acre moved the cookies off the tray, the trolley wheels broke. To fix the mistake, he used round candies to make new wheels. Soon the cookies looked like trolleys. Sometimes mistakes can be a good thing, Daniel said. Ugga mugga. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where the wheels broke off, but they could use round candies to make it look more like trolley.